So today's topic is gated SR latch. Okay, simply SR latch is produce output when there is a change in the input. Automatically the output will change. Whenever there is a change in the output, automatically the output will change. Okay, now we will study. We have to enable the SR latch. Okay, we have we have a control that is enable is there. So in order to enable the SR latch, okay, that is gated SR latch. So we have a gated SR latch circuit based on the NAND gate. Okay, yes. Okay, this is a gated SR latch. Here will be the one input. Okay, next output. Both are connected to a single enable. Okay, if enable is 1, then only the circuit will work, otherwise circuit will not work. Okay, yes. Enable, we call this as C. Okay, yes. Here we will have NAND gate. This is a gated SR latch. Gated means we have included enable at the input of gate. Okay, yes. Okay, this is a Q and Q bar. Okay, yes. So this is S, this is R. Okay. This circuit is the function table for this gated SR latch will be same. When enable is equal to 1, the circuit behaves as SR latch, because enable is 1 means it will not work. Okay, it will work as SR latch. Okay, if enable is equal to 0, then it will remain whatever the previous value, what is the value of Q and Q bar, same will repeat. Okay, whatever may be the input values, same whatever is there, it will repeat. Okay, yes. So what is that? When enable is equal to C is equal to 1, it behaves like SR latch. If it is 0, so whatever there in the previous value, same will repeat. Okay, so what is the function table of SR latch? Okay, we have to include C, that is enable, input this one, and this is output. Okay, at input side we have to include C, that is enable, and S and R. Okay, yes. And output are Q and Q bar. Okay, yes. Okay, what is that? If enable, that is C, is equal to 1, thus this gated SR latch will act as SR latch. Okay, what is the function table for SR latch? That is, if both are 0, 0, same will repeat. Whatever previous value, same will repeat. Okay, that is enable, that is C is equal to 1. The circuit behaves as SR latch. If enable, that is C is equal to 0, then it will act, the circuit will act as, the circuit will produce output, the circuit will produce output which is of previous one. Okay, so what is that? When C is equal to 1, it acts as gated SR latch. If it is 0, 0, so what is the function table? If S and R are 0, 0, whatever there in the previous, same will repeat. If it is 1, if it is 0, 1, so 0, 1 will remain. If it is 1, 1, 0 is there, so 1, 0 will be there. So the main condition is enable. Okay, yes. If it is 1, 1, so what will happen for the HR lab? It will start toggling. Okay, it will start toggling. Neither it may be 1 or nor it may be 0. So it will start blinking, toggling. Okay, if enable is 0, the circuit will produce output which is previous. Okay, if whatever may be the input, if enable is 0, it will give whatever is the previous. If Q is 1, same will repeat, 1 will probably repeat. If Q is 0, same will repeat. So Q and Q bar. Okay, this is a gated D latch. Okay, yes. Similar to this, we will have gated D latch, that is gated D latch. Okay, so gated D latch is defined as, it is similar to the SR latch only. The gated D latch is similar to that of SR latch only, but here both the inputs are shorted and one is given directly. So here one is given directly and other is given as inverted. Okay, yes. Okay, what is that? The gated D latch is a gated SR latch. Same circuit will be there, but only difference is in which direct input is connected to S terminal and inverted input and inverted output is connected to R terminal. Okay, yes. If enable is 1, the output follows the input. Okay, so what is that? When enable is equal to 1,